Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kiwi and you're watching Kiwi Naga Vlogs. Today it's a surprise for you all guys. You know what guys? Can you see this? Can you see this? Bundle. This one. Guys, can you see this? This I have around 10,000 cash with me. And you know what guys? Guess what I'm going to do with this 1,000 guys. So you'll find out later what I'll buy with this 1,000. It's all 500 note. Yes, this the note. And now I'm gonna take this and I'm going to buy something. So check out. Bye. 10,000 देख लो. चेंज करके लेके आएगा मैं.
चेंज करके लेके आएगा ना, या मैं आपको जीपे कर दूँ क्या रिमेनिंग अमाउंट?
ये भी कर सकता है. हाँ कर दो. तो कौन कर लो, कमती होगा जिसे तो नहीं तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. So guys, finally my product arrived. Calculation is going on now. Yare. La la la. Dun dun dun. Hello guys. Hello guys. So let's unbox it. What I have bought. Tripod. Yes guys. This is the product. This is scissor. Can you see this? Littman Classic 3 stethoscope. So let me unbox. There, no? Wow. Instruction to be read, which no one read. This extra earpiece for earpiece extra. Wow, it's so soft guys. It's too soft. Wow, one feeling is coming. And if I can focus, let me check. Yes guys, can you see this? Littman. This one, Littman. The diaphragm, the color, so beautiful. And it's so heavy this side. Quality is too good, yeah, quality is too good. Wow. And can you see this one? What they wrote? 3M Littman Classic 3. Made in US. Guys, let me try. Okay guys, that's it. This is the booklet quiz. If you want, you can read this one as well. And this is the warranty and all. Okay. This is the earpiece extra. Nothing, just only this and this. So good, so beautiful. Nothing here. Nothing is here. And here something is written. Let's check out. Something is written from Amazon. They send it from Amazon. Thank you for joining our effort to protect the environment. That's it. So guys, shall I try this one? Yes guys, let's look. This is the Littman brand stethoscope, one of my favorite of all time. And this one, so good. And I want feeling now. Good feeling is coming out right now. I'll take photo. And the color is it's so vibrant. So good. The color is so good. Let's try this item here. And it's very soft, like you need to be really careful. It's very soft. Yeah, that's it. Just show you. And it costs around like almost 10,000. Yeah, almost 10,000. It's, you can say 10,000 rupees for this. But you know, it's very important for not only for, and it's very important to save now, because it saves lots of life using these. These are the one of the instrument, a very essential instrument in the field of medical, for everyone use to save the life. And this is plastic tree Littman. It's so good. The quality is too good, and this one that I found so good. This is the earpiece. And next time I will show you how to use this, how to use the earpiece like this. I can feel the heartbeat of my own, and that's, and you know, this compared to ordinary one, and this one is so clear, the song, no? you can experience it. It's so clear and so good. So thank you for watching. It's been a long video explaining you. I don't know. So thank you so much. See you later. Bye. Ay.